Hi everyone, my name is Mona and I'm a youth services librarian. Normally I work at the Burton Bar Central Library, but today I'm coming to you from my house to show you some fun science and craft activities that you can do with things you have lying around your house. Today we are going to make a homemade kazoo and explore the properties of sound. So to do that we're going to need a paper towel roll. If you don't have a paper towel roll, you can also use a toilet paper roll or maybe cut a gift wrapping roll in half, but something cylindrical and cardboard like this. We're gonna need a rubber band, a pin, some scissors, and some wax paper. To get started with, we're just gonna cut a piece of wax paper that will fit at the end of our cardboard tube. So we're gonna have about that big, and we're gonna kind of crunch it down around and secure with our rubber band. Make sure it's nice and tight because that will help amplify the sound a little bit better. Then we're going to take our pin. If you don't have a pin, you could do this with a sharp pencil, anything kind of pokey and hard. We're going to go about halfway down and we're going to poke 3 holes. And I like to go back over them again just to make sure they're nice and clearly defined. So I've got my 3 little holes right there. And you can experiment with adding less holes or more holes. That's just gonna change the sound of what you do. And that's pretty much it for our kazoo. A kazoo is really easy to make. Now to play a kazoo, if you can remember the classic kazoo sound, we're going to hum into it, or we're gonna say like do, do, do in a lower tone, and that's gonna create that classical kazoo sound. It takes a little bit of practice. So we're gonna kind of do, 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 go, 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 do, do, do. So you can make whatever sound you want with your kazoo. It doesn't have to necessarily sound like a classic kazoo. And think about where that sound is coming from. What do you think happens when we're blowing in the end? Where are we hearing the sound from? What's the purpose of the wax paper? So think about that for a second. What's happening is we are making noise into the tube, right? And what it's doing is the wax paper is helping it reverberate and amplify the sound of our hum or our do, and then it's kind of getting back to our ears that way. So the wax paper really is just to help amplify that sound. So all the sound's not escaping out of the end, the sound is instead escaping out of here and some out of here as well if you don't have a seal on the end. So that's pretty much it for a kazoo. I think a fun thing to do is decorate your kazoo. So I've got a bunch of markers and I'm going to decorate my kazoo with some stars, I think.